I put together my COVID team of 25 folks. First thing we did was make sure we had someone who would handle the whole question of equity. That's just does nothing but that. And anyway, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you.
This side, yes, we're going to come
All right, I'm not
side.
supposed to walk down the squiggle.
That's right. So you're going to be right here, Mr. President. So some of the community members who are going to get vaccinated today have already gotten vaccinated.
Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Good to see you all.
Please welcome President Joseph R. Biden.
Hello, Raleigh. Statewide, case deaths are down over 90% in the last 5 months. All of this is great news, but here's the deal. For all the progress we made as a country, hospitalizations and deaths are down drastically in places where people are getting vaccinated. The data couldn't be clearer. If you're vaccinated, you're safe. You are still at risk of getting seriously ill or dying if you, in fact, have not been vaccinated. That's just a fact. And unvaccinated people are incredibly vulnerable. This is a serious concern with what experts call the Delta variant. It is not only, according to the CDC, between 10 and 20% of all cases in the last 2 weeks have been the Delta variant. Dr. Fauci has made it clear, he and my wife have been traveling the country to make this case, that it's more easily transmittable, this Delta variant, potentially deadlier, and especially dangerous for young people, He says it's the greatest threat to our fight to beat COVID-19. But the good news is we have a solution. The science is clear. The best way to protect yourself against the virus and its variants is to be fully vaccinated. It works. If you've gotten your first shot, make sure you get your second one to be fully protected. It's a big deal. And if you're not vaccinated, don't put it off any longer. Just do it. Just do it. And it's never been easier. Never been easier to do it. Text your zip code to 438829. 438829. And immediately it will pop up to find the vaccination sites closest to you. Over 150 million Americans have gotten fully vaccinated, and they're safe and protected now, including against the Delta variant. They're getting back to living their lives and spending time with their loved ones. But we need more people to get fully vaccinated to finish the job. That's why I'm here. I called for June to be the month of action to get folks vaccinated so we can all enjoy the 4th of July with our independence from the virus, 73% of the shots administered at community health centers through the federal program we have, and more than 58% of the shots administered in federally run vaccination sites have gone to people of color. It makes a gigantic difference. And across the nation, people of color have accounted for more than half of all the vaccinations in the last month. The more we close the racial gap in vaccination rates, the more lives we can save. And if I can... Thank you.